This is a very.
Yeah.
It's a lot of
If one
water.
of the dogs show up, oh, I think I hear a mine. Okay.
Guys, there's a mine there. So
Oh,
please step on it. Please
Okay.
step on that mine. Oh, I found a key. Lovely.
Wait, which one's the flash? Oh, we don't get a flashlight.
No, we don't got no flashlight. We gotta thug it out.
We gotta buy that. That costs money.
We gotta thug it out. Yeah, bro. Unless you wanna be a little Weenie Hut Junior. And oh, I found some bottles. Unless you wanna be a Weenie Hut Junior and your brain son. I'm seeing a whole lot of none over here. Okay, there's nothing in there.
I remember we
I
found
got more bottles. I need someone to come pick up bottles with me.
I got bottles too. Let's go.
Oh, we
There's-
got three different
got three
12
bottles?
packs? That's crazy.
A million beers, please.
Tony,
Wait, where is
come
it?
over here, come over here. They're right there,
Oh, I
they're right
see
there
it,
on the
I
other
see it, I
side.
see it, I see it.
Yeah.
Get it, get it.
1 million beers.
1 million beers coming right up.
But where the hell did it go? Oh, it's right here.
Down there.
Oh, we have a bracket.
That's what,
Alright, alright.
that's what to get to the ship has cancer.
Oh my gosh, why, bro? Why? No, Tony, stop, that's not lying, bro. You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding me. Why? Oh my gosh. Alright. You gotta be joking. Employee. Tony, what happened, bro?
What
I forgot
happened
about
to
the mine. I forgot about the mine.
you? Bridge.
Whee! Oh, this is
Wait,
a
how
cool
much
map.
did he say?
The one with the bridge.
Oh,
Did he? There's no way he died already.
Yeah, you got it. Wait, hold on. No!
Uh-oh. See you.
Whoa. Is he gonna send the elevator back up, or like what's that about? I hear running. Okay. Let's see what's down here. Kind of like the elevator music. Ooh, spooky. Okay. Uh-oh. The
Hello,
hell-
Ang.
What the hell was that sound?
Oh, hell nah.
What? Do you hear it?
The screeching? Yeah.
Oh, I heard like something scraping on the floor. Dude, I'm about to get jump scared. I'm about
somebody stood. What just happened?
What was that?
The mine shaft.
Can't we just take this bridge?
Yeah.
Oh my!
Oh, I didn't die.
I didn't
That's
die.
okay.
It's too heavy. Yo, there's a key here. There's a place we can use the
Wait,
key.
there's something.
At least I think.
There's something. There's something.
Get
There's
off
something
What is
on my
it?
head.
Get off of
There's
it!
something on my head. There's something on my head. Get it off. Kill it.
we don't have nothing to kill it with.
Yo!
It's trying to fly away. It's trying to fly away.
It's humping his face. It's humping his face.
No, get it off of me.
What was that? Oh my god.
Eddie, I can't see anything. Yo, this
Someone already
is...
took the generator.
I found the money glitch.
Yo, Christian, can you...
It's so
I
fucking
need
cooked.
to navigate with the voice.
I'm right
because
here, I'm right here. Hey, blind you.
I can't see.
Over here, over here, over here.
I literally can't see. The whole thing's in
Oh,
my face.
right here, right here.
Jumping.
Oh,
No, he's cooked. He's cooked.
let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Stop! 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 Help! Help! No! What the... Stop, bro! Please! Release me! No way. What happened to me?
I'm not going. I'm gonna
Yeah,
stay
you're
right
gonna
here.
kill. He's dead as hell.
take me.
Oh my god. Shit.
Let's see what this is about. Alrighty. Oh. I have a driver's wheel. Yep. We've hit the jackpot. 2 driver's wheels. Oh!
Don't hear?
Yeah. Take me?
Oh shoot, he's got 2 of
They're
them
gonna
on.
take me? I wait an extra 6 pounds, that's funny.
He's
Yes!
got 2 of them on.
Take me here. Take me here. Take me here. Go in, go in.
Yo!
Oh my gosh! 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 No, 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 no. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
You got 2 birds on him, and the freaking whatever thing just runs at him, and he flies in the air, and he's able to escape. I was so baffled. Wait, I forgot we
It's
can
random?
do stuff, huh? Oh yeah. There you go. Good boy. I forgot. Good boy. What are you doing?
I'm on the lead.
Should we have somebody staying here and someone held on walkie-talkie? Come with me, Tony.
Alright, alright.
Come with me.
Alright, I'm coming with you.
Go back. I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing all that.
Hey, let's go.
Maybe we should leave. Maybe we should leave. Maybe we should leave.
Bro, go, buddy.
Bro,
Oh my
left
gosh,
karma.
of course,
Left
that's
karma.
bro.